Are you someone who is into manual testing and planning to switch into automation testing? Are you someone who knows a little bit of automation but do not have the real experience or end-to-end knowledge? Even if you are as a fresher and you want to start your career as a QA, then you landed on the right page and the right video. Hi everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani from learnhyperautomation.com, and I'm very happy to announce about my upcoming live training which is starting from next Monday. This is a completely live training, no pre-recorded session, and everything will be live. Every day 7:30 to 8:30 we will have session, Monday to Friday. Weekends you will have some additional classes, depends on the requirement, and this course duration will be for 3 to 4 months. Throughout the course we are going to cover everything from the scratch. Even if you do not have any programming knowledge or background, we will teach you everything from the scratch. This course will include Java from the scratch, Selenium, TestNG, Maven, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, framework development, Docker, Selenium Grid on AWS, and bunch of other things which is required for your job. Apart from this, in case if you are completely new to testing, we will also give you some additional live classes on manual testing, SQL and API testing. These classes, which is the bonus lectures which will be on weekend, it will be led by some other instructor, but in case if you need my assistant, I will be happy to assist you. All these primary sessions will be conducted by me Monday to Friday. Additional bonus lectures which is completely optional, but in case if you need, will be arranged on weekend, or if you want on the weekdays also, we can have after the training program. Yeah, so 7:30 to 8:30 will be the standard course timing. 8:30 to 9 we'll have the doubt session. Apart from this also, if you have any other doubt, 10 to 7 we will be available and we will be happy to assist you. After the session we will also have a mock interviews, resume preparation, and we will provide you the live feedbacks. Apart from this live training, we will also have quiz, we will have test will be weekly basis, sometimes after each and every module, depends on the course curriculum. We will decide whether it's a live test after every module or on every weekend. If you need any other help during your transition, we will be happy to assist you. Automation is something that is important and mandatory nowadays. Even if you want to apply as a manual tester, you will see in the job description automation testing everywhere. So it is not optional anymore, it's mandatory. Whether you're a fresher, 3 years experience, 5 years experience, 8 years, 10 years, even 15 years, you need automation end to end. So if you're interested or you want to refer somebody, feel free to refer as well. And if you're interested, you can get all the information from the description of this video or in the first comment. So yeah, that's all about this video. Feel free to connect with me anytime. I will share my contact details in the description, and I will see you in the live class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.